Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix games unable to communicate with Rockstar Games Online Services for GTA 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First step, what you need to do here, you need to make sure that your game and Rockstar Games Launcher is installed on the same drive. And to check it, go to your client, look for GTA 5, right click on it, properties, install files, browse. And here just click on the blank space, and then as you can see that my game is on C drive. And if I go to the Rockstar Games Launcher, just write on search Rockstar Games Launcher, right click on it, open file location, again press on the blank space here, and as you can see here it's on C drive. So Rockstar Games Launcher and the game itself for me is on the same drive. Another fix, first you need to open a browser, then you need to just write GTA 5 server status, click on Rockstar Games and look if there is no outages on the servers of your platform as well. In my case now, as you can see, there is no downs or outages, so it's good. So we can proceed with the other step. Other step is you need to go and search and you need to write view network connections. On view network connections, find your internet connection. In my case, Ethernet. Right click, go to properties, then look for Internet Protocol version 6, make sure is disabled, then go to Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Then what you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, make sure to run as admin, and on command prompt you need to put few commands. First one is IP config /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then go to view network connections and then disable your, in my case is Ethernet, for you it can be Wi-Fi, and then try to launch the game and then connect with a hotspot of your phone and look if the problem persists or not. So in this way, you will find out if your internet connection is the problem or not. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.